In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders from SamCart to CSV. If you're looking to analyze your sales, share data with your accounting tools, or just keep a local backup, exporting your orders to a CSV file is a quick and reliable way to do it. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, works in Excel, Google Sheets, Apple Numbers, and most reporting tools, so it's a flexible format you can use anywhere. Start by logging in to your SamCart account. Once you're in, head to your main menu. From there, go to the Sell section and open the Orders page. Depending on your layout, you may see orders directly in the main menu or under a Sell or Sales area. Either way, you want to land on the Orders page where your transactions are listed. Take a quick moment to glance at what you see on the Orders screen. The export will reflect your order data as SamCart presents it, so it's helpful to make sure you're viewing the set of orders you want to work with. If your account uses filters or date ranges, confirm that the page is showing the time frame and details that make sense for your export. Now look to the top right of the Orders page and select Export. This opens your export options. Choose CSV as the format. CSV is the standard, especially if you plan to work with spreadsheets or import the data into another system later. Selecting CSV ensures broad compatibility and easy sorting, filtering, and calculations once you open the file. After you've chosen CSV, go ahead and confirm the export. SamCart will prepare your file. For smaller sets of orders, this usually finishes quickly. For larger histories, it may take a moment. When the export is ready, your browser will either download the file automatically or prompt you to save it to your computer. If you're using a Downloads folder, that's typically where it will go. Once the file is saved, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet app to review totals, look up customer details, or build charts and summaries. If you plan to share the file, remember that it can include sensitive business and customer data. Store it securely and share it only with trusted recipients who need access. And that's it. You logged into SamCart, navigated to the Orders page, clicked Export, chose CSV, and confirmed the export. With your CSV in hand, you're ready to analyze, report, or archive your sales data with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.